being, and you consider that God is the essence of all that is good, then the reason humans tend to think about God in terms of personality and character is because that's the only way they can establish a relationship with that transcendent good. It is not enough for you to appreciate the fact that across all good things there is an essence, and if there is an essence across good things, then it will make sense to place that particular essence at the top of the hierarchy of all good things. So now it will make sense that human beings will conceptualize God as a personality or as an individual, because that is the only way you can establish a personal relationship with God. Because what use is it to human beings if you conceptualize the fact that across all good things there is an ultimate good, but then you have no relationship with the ultimate good? There is no point to that particular rationalization, because as far as human beings are concerned, human beings only do things that are useful to them or that they find useful, regardless of the fact that that particular character or that particular personality has the ability to stand alone in itself as its own being. Human beings establish a relationship with that particular thing in terms of utility and appreciation. So for human beings, it is not so much the belief in the universal essence of good that is the problem, but rather the potential to have a relationship with the transcendent ideal, which is that highest good in that hierarchy. So now, when you begin to elaborate this particular concept into the idea of religion or society, so now you begin to see the revelation of this particular ideal personality as being just rather than good in the strict definitional sense, but to just be sometimes it is not enough to categorize or to establish the fact that there is a transcendent good. The relationship with the transcendent good is what human beings are actually after. So sometimes it is not going to look good or feel good to just have a relationship with that transcendent being, because if you are looking at the transcendent being in terms of utility, then you will tend to think that the transcendent being has to be all good.